Kwanza kabisa ni kusema a blessed year to all of us. We are gathered here, actually, some of us are coming from the church in Ruiru, only to learn that Mama Mbogas in town were tear gassed by the police because they just wanted to celebrate Baba's birthday. And we call this a very shameful act on the part of the police and on the part of those who wield responsibility. Because why on earth would anybody want to tear gas a cake of all the things? So we want to condemn this act in the strongest terms possible and say this intolerance must stop. This is not the way to begin the year 2024. Maybe somebody somewhere is afraid of a people's revolution. Maybe. And they see a revolution in a cake. Kwa hivyo tunakemea kabisa tukio hili, huku tukishangilia birthday ya ndugu yetu mkubwa Mheshimiwa Raila Amolo Odinga. From here we are going to cut our cake, and I want to thank waheshimiwa ambao wa here, Mheshimiwa Tim Wanyonyi, Mheshimiwa Bishop, Mheshimiwa Senator Agnes Kavindu, Bwana Gaucho, Mheshimiwa Gideon Muliungi, Mheshimiwa MCA, Mheshimiwa actually Ruth ndiye atatuongoza kukata cake kwa niaba ya baba because baba ako Kilifi. Mheshimiwa Wandai was with me in church. Mheshimiwa Kibagendi all the way from Kisii, Mheshimiwa Mawadhe, wakili council here Jiru Ndegwa, Mheshimiwa Maina Njenga tumekuwa naye kanisani, and our teams of MCAs. Kwa hivyo hakuna mtu anaweza kuzuia watu kukula cake. Yes. And quite frankly, this will go down in the history of this country and the world, that the police and indeed those in authority are so scared of Raila Odinga that they mistook cut caking for cutting. I'm told they're afraid akikata cake amesema kata taxes. There's a world of difference between celebrating a birthday and telling these people with elephant ears, the Kenyans are suffering. Schools are opening now. Waheshimiwa wenyewe hawana pesa ya CDF. Hakuna. From across the divide. So somebody somewhere must be scared.